In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create FAQ in Webflow. Adding a frequently asked questions section to your website is a great way to provide visitors with quick answers while also improving the overall organization of your content. A well-designed FAQ section can make your website look more professional, reduce repetitive inquiries, and help users find important information faster. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of building a clean and customizable FAQ layout directly inside Webflow. To get started, open your project in Webflow and wait for the designer to fully load. Once you're inside your project, go to the page where you want your FAQ section to appear. This could be your home page, a support page, or any section of your website where visitors may need additional information. After opening the correct page, navigate to the specific area where you want the FAQ section to be placed. Next, move to the left side panel and click the Add button. This menu contains all the layout and content elements you can insert into your project. Begin by dragging a section element onto the page. The section will serve as the main container for your FAQ content and help keep everything properly organized within your website layout. Once the section has been added, place a container element inside it. Using a container helps control the spacing and alignment of your content so it remains clean and visually balanced across different screen sizes. Inside, add a div block for each FAQ item you want to create. These div blocks will separate each question and answer pair, making the FAQ section easier to style and manage later. Now, within each div block, insert two text elements. Use a text block for the question itself and add a paragraph element underneath for the answer. This structure keeps the content organized and allows visitors to quickly distinguish between questions and responses. Once your text elements are in place, move over to the Style panel on the right side of the screen. From here, you can customize the appearance of your FAQ section by adjusting typography, spacing, margins, and padding. These styling options help improve readability and allow the section to better match your overall website design. If you want to make the FAQ section more interactive, switch over to the Interactions tab in the right side menu. Here, you can add animations or expand and collapse effects to create a smoother user experience when visitors interact with each question. As your FAQ section grows, you can duplicate each FAQ block to quickly add more questions and answers without rebuilding the structure from scratch. This makes it easy to expand your content while maintaining a consistent design throughout the page. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.